मुझे लगता है कुछ डाटा मुझे कोट करना चाहिए सिक्किम को लेकर, क्योंकि मैं सिक्किम में खड़ा हूं। कुछ कंपैरेटिव डाटा मेरे पास है, वो डाटा में और सिंपली डाटा के रूप में रखूंगा ताकि कुछ ज्ञानवर्धन हो यहाँ पर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्टेट वाइज आउटले फॉर रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट्स को लेकर स्टेट वाइज एलोकेशन है। सिक्किम को कितना मिला, नॉर्थ ईस्ट को कितना मिला, ये सब मैं बताता हूं आपको अभी। तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन के लिए 23-24 में फाइनेंशियल ईयर में ये 10,270 करोड़ था। वो इस बार 24-25 में 10,370, मतलब 100 करोड़ और बढ़ गया है रेलवे में। और ये 2009 और 14 के बीच, द 10 years दैट यूपीए वाज देयर, उस समय नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए रेलवे के लिए 2,122 करोड़ आया था। अभी हमारे 10 साल में 10,370 करोड़ आए हैं। तो कुल मिलाकर के देयर इज अ इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ 389%। 10 years of UPA versus 10 years of Modi government, an increase of 389% on outlay for railway projects in Northeast, not just Sikkim, in Northeast. And as far as allocation for Northeast roads are concerned, highway connectivity, the finance minister has allocated 19,338 crore in the budget 2024 for improvement in the Northeast roads and highway connectivity, which will increase tourism in Sikkim and the Northeast area as well. अब tax devolution, भारतवर्ष को क्या टैक्स मिलता है? How much amount India collects as tax? How much amount does India, as the central government, through its federal mechanism, sends to Sikkim as devolution, tax devolution? Let me keep that amount as a comparative analysis. 2004 to 2014, the UPA 10 years, the tax devolution for Sikkim, just for Sikkim, was 4,314 crores. 4,314 crores. Now, the tax devolution to Sikkim in the 10 years of Modi era, 2014 to 2024, is 26,214 crores, an increment of 508%. 508% का इजाफा हुआ. All these are in public domain because of GST, because of increase in tax collection, because of increase in revenue collection. This is possible. 508% increment in tax devolution. Granting aid from Government of India. As far as granting aid is concerned, 2004 to 14, 11,827 crore was given to Sikkim. As far as the period of 2014 to 24 is concerned, Modi era, 17,718 crore. That is a 15% increase has been done in this grant in aid. Now coming to the special assistance to states for capital investment in Sikkim. As you all know, I had already talked about CAPEX, capital investment, capital expenditure. सिक्किम हॉस्पिटल बनाएगा, सिक्किम रोड बनाएगा, सिक्किम की सरकार, केंद्र सरकार नहीं, सिक्किम की सरकार इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप करेगी, उसके लिए भी केंद्र पैसा देती है स्पेशल असिस्टेंस के रूप में। व्हाट इज स्पेशल असिस्टेंस? जो आपका फाइनेंस कमीशन के रिकमेंडेशन होते हैं, ओवर एंड अबव द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ फाइनेंस कमीशन जो असिस्टेंस दिया जाता है वह स्पेशल असिस्टेंस होता है, और वो 50 वर्षों के लिए इंटरेस्ट फ्री होता है। 50 वर्ष तक उसमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लगेगा। इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन टू द स्टेट फ्रॉम द सेंटर ओवर एंड अबव द फाइनेंस कमीशंस रिकमेंडेशन, दैट इज स्पेशल असिस्टेंस। नाउ लेट अस हैव अ कंपैरेटिव डेटा। 2021-22 2021 200 crore was given, 21-22 300 crore was given to Sikkim, 22-23 551 crore was given, 23-24 798 crore was given, 24-25 up to now, because we still have time to go, 213 is released. The rest portion, it will be above 798, that will be released. So total in from 2020 till 25, it is 2062 crore rupees which has been given as special assistance to the government of Sikkim from the government of India. Now, as far as infrastructure efforts in Sikkim are concerned, the Gangtok and the Namchi selected, these two places, Gangtok and Namchi, they were selected under the Smart City Mission. Till December 2023, over rupees 894 crore rupees were released to Sikkim. Work orders have already been issued in 63 projects worth rupees 2,471 crores. 8 projects at an approved cost of over 244 projects have been allotted to the Sikkim under Northeast Special Infrastructure Developmental Scheme, that is NESEEDS program. 8 projects, 244 crores. 46 villages in Sikkim being developed under Vibrant Village program. Roadways. Length of the national highways in Sikkim has increased from 149 kilometer in 2014 to 709 kilometer in 2023, an increase of 560 kilometers. In 10 years, 560 kilometers have been added to Sikkim as national highway. Now, as far as railways are concerned, I told you and I gave you the comparison also, will not repeat it, and I'm happy that the Rangpur railway station is being redeveloped under the Amrit Bharat scheme. अमृत भारत स्कीम के अंतर्गत रंगपुर में तो आ रहा था, अभी चल रहा था वहाँ काम, मैं देख ही रहा था, आपने भी दिखाया, मतलब कार्यकर्ता हमारे गए तो उन्होंने भी दिखाया. Airways, for the first time, the Pakyong Airport has been started in 2018, which is operational under the Krishi Udan scheme during the Modi regime. Similarly, rupees 33 crore rupees has been sanctioned for the infrastructure development for tourism under Prasad scheme in the Modi regime. As far as miscellaneous is concerned, on 9th March 2024, as recently as now, PM Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of multiple development projects worth more than rupees 450 crores in Sikkim, of which you all are aware. I was busy in Puri for my election, but आप सबने तो कवर किया ही होगा. मार्च में ही हुआ है. 450 करोड़ रुपए के प्रोजेक्ट्स मोदी जी ने उनका शिलान्यास किया है, उनका उद्घाटन भी मोदी जी जरूर करेंगे. मैंने भारत के बजट के साथ साथ सिक्किम को क्या मिला फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर के अंतर्गत, 2004 से 14 तक क्या हुआ था, 2014 से 24 तक क्या हुआ है, एक कंपैरेटिव डाटा बजट का रखा है.